The construction industry is on the cusp of major disruption. With demand skyrocketing and a diminishing skilled workforce, construction cannot help but become more agile. Buildings will be more modular, more pre-engineered, more responsive to the surge in demand. Daikin is already there. Our modular central plants offer a scalable HVAC solution that provides the flexibility and control your business demands. Our modular approach includes product engineering, production, testing, installation, startup, and after-sales support, all from a single provider to reduce your effort and streamline delivery. Your modular central plant is custom designed specifically for your business today and scalable as your business grows. Fabricated in our production facility by our certified team for your specific project, every MCP is engineered with the most efficient and highest performing components and materials. Daikin's modular designs provide 30% more efficiency in heating and cooling than just a few years ago, providing the performance efficiency and savings you can deliver to your bottom line. Before shipping to your site, each MCP is fully assembled and tested in a controlled environment as a complete central plant. You'll reap the benefits immediately. You're assured the highest quality at startup, and your MCP is installed and operational in timeframes impossible to achieve in the stick-built world. From shipment, delivery, and reassembly of your central plant, Daikin's approach reduces coordination and project management effort required by multi-trade, site-built solutions. Expertly designed, produced, installed, and started, you can rest assured that your central plant will provide you years of reliable, efficient operation. Daikin, bringing air intelligence to your building.